can install wamp server on your system, and you can run your PHP code on the local server. Open our browser and we will type, we are going to install, and we will type wamp server. And first of all, check out that what kind of operating system you have on your system. Go to search bar, control panel, system and security, system, and you can look at here. It is 64-bit operating system, x64 base processor. So I'm going to install for it. I will go back, 64-bit. When I will enter press, it is going to direct me page like this. There are so many websites here, but I will click on the sourceforge.net, and now you can see here. We will simply click on the download button. It's taking some time. Now we will click on the save file. For installing, and now my download is complete. My file has been downloaded. Now you can simply click on that. And I will click on the yes. English, and you will have to click on the accept the agreements. Next, and it will be installed on your C directory with the wamp folder. So I will simply click on that, and now it's asking you which components you want to be installed. 7.1, 2, 3, and he's asking you want to install MariaDB or MySQL. Yes, I want to install these components, and I will also tick these components. It depends upon you if you want to install or not. It's optional. So click on the next button. Click on the next. You can select a different folder by clicking on the browser. If you want to install somewhere, for example in C, D, C, but I'm just installing in C, so I will click on that with the default setting, and now click on the install. And now it will take some time and your setup will be installed. So